Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport, and it's Model Kit Tuesday time. But it's a very particular Model Kit Tuesday because I'm very busy this period and I've not even had time to make a proper video. So, excuse me. So I've just got a question for you. I'm going to start building a model kit. I've been saying I was going to do it for the last 2 weeks and I've not had time. We are going probably towards the Christmas holidays, hopefully, and it might actually be a bit quieter. What do you want me to begin with? Do you want me to begin building the Gaz-67 Soviet Jeep, or would you like me to begin building the Bedford ML flatbed lorry in 176? So both models have got pretty synthetic instructions, quite particular the British one, which seems to be particularly stingy on illustrations. The Moldavian one is also quite, there are drawings, there are only drawings, but if you remember watching this video, they are quite limited. So please let me know in the comments, vote. I'm not making a poll. I could even make a poll if I wanted, but I prefer to do it in the video. In your comments, tell me, which one do you want me to begin? The Soviet Gaz-67 made by Air SRL Moldova, or the Coopercraft Bedford ML in 176. So it's 135 versus 176. Military vehicle, Red Army military vehicle, or British civilian lorry. Let me know, and I shall carry out the task.